Hi guys! Welcome back to the last part of the build. This is going to be part 28, which is the last final part. No bags left over, just the one with the rims in it, and those are the pieces we need. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go through the pages and I'm going to add on the little pieces that we still need to add on to this car here. So that is how I'm going to do it. Yeah, we are practically almost done. This is what the car looks like right now without the wheels on. And you can open up the back here as well. Like that, I think. I think that part here might stay down, that you can only open that part. But we will find that out in a sec. So we are gonna just add on the little pieces that we need to add on, like for the wing here. We're gonna start at the back of the car here again with the pieces that are left over. I'm gonna pull the car forward a little bit. And yeah, let me know in comments below what you guys think of the whole series of this build. I think it was pretty awesome. And yeah, we're gonna grab our pieces here that we need. For up there we need that 2 times. That piece up there 2 times. And those 2 pieces are going to go on the wing here. Over here and over there. So let's put them on. We're going to have the camera like that. And those 2 pieces are going to... Which way are they going to go on? Yeah, they're going to go on like that, I think. Just like that. That's the way they're gonna go on. So we're gonna put on the other side as well. And the other one is on as well. Those are just the little wings that go on the main one here. That one. Alright. So now we have to turn the car around, I think. No, we don't, because we already put them on. Maybe we do have to turn the car around, so let's turn it around here. Like that. And we'll see what we can find here on the next page. Alright. So we have to open up the rear hatch here like that. Rear hatch is open. And now we need to build that piece up there, that one here, 2 times. Alright, so let's see where they will go. I think they will go inside the car somewhere. Probably go in there somewhere. Yeah, that is where they went. Right on there, and we're gonna put, don't have a pointer, we're gonna put the other piece on here and on there, and that is the piece that we have just put on. That one there. It's like a stopper. So let's put it on the other side as well. Alright, and there it is. That piece right there. So once you close the hatch down, like that, you can't push it down any further. That is what the stopper is for. That stopper right there. And that one there, if you close it down like that, you can't push it down any further. And that is what it's there for. So you can just close it like that. open it back up, and that's it. You can't open up the frame, the roof frame here. You can't do that. You just can open up the hatch here, the back of the hatch, or the hatchback. Not the hatchback, but the hatch, rear hatch I call that. Alright, so we did that. Now we're gonna have to turn the car around again. So that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn it around because we are gonna be working on the front. Alright, so let's see what we need for the front here. We need those two pieces here, and they are gonna go on the side here. Practically they are gonna go right in here, and on the other side here as well. So let's see how they will go on. I think they will go on here. One will go here, like that, and it will practically go in here, like so. Like that. So we are going to put on the other side as well. So it will go in here. The other one will go in here. Let's give it that authentic look. Alright. And we are done. Did the other side, that one and that one there. Alright, let's turn the page here. And now we need one of those white ones here. I think it's the two of them because those two are longer. I think it's those two. Two of them. Let's see where they will go. They are gonna go on the back. They are gonna go on the back here, right along here. And I think those are the wrong ones, or I don't know if they're the wrong ones. No, not. They might be. We need the short ones first. The shorter ones first, and then we're gonna put on the longer ones. Alright, so let's come over here. We put the camera here, and we are gonna put on the short ones. Are gonna go in first, so gonna go right through here, like that, right on there, like so. We're gonna do that on the other side as well. Same thing on the other side. Here. And now we need those longer ones. Camera up like that. The longer ones we need now. And that one is gonna, yeah, it's gonna come up through like that. And it's gonna stick in here, like so. That one is gonna go in here, like that. Alright, brilliant. And we're going to do the other side as well. Alright, so we look at the other side, that one there. That looks like as if it is some type of a railing or something for the side of the car here. Take it back to the other side. Alright, that is that. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Now we have to turn the car over onto the other side, onto the roof. Turn it upside down. Like that, because we're going to have to add in those 8 pieces. I don't think I can do that with one-handed. Alright, let's do this. We need 8 of these small guys here. 8 of them. And they are gonna go on this piece here. So I'm gonna put one on. I can't do this with one hand, so I'm gonna have to do it off camera. I will show it to you guys. They will go right across here. 4 and 4. So here we are. 8 of them small clips. We're gonna leave the car the way it is because we have to build 2 times that, and those 2 here will go on the bottom here. So let's build those 2. Here's one. We need to build the other one as well because we need 2 of them. 2 of them, and they are gonna go on like that. So let's put them on. And they're on. Those 2 there, those are on. Alright. Let's move on to the next page. Only got those little buttons left there. Alright, we're gonna have to turn the car back around. Alright, now we need, what do we need? We need that part there. That is gonna go on top of the car, on the roof. It's gonna go here. Wrong way around, we need to put it this way here. It's the antenna. That's where the antenna is going to go. Another antenna. That one there, that is gonna go in here. Like that. So we have 2 antennas. Alright. Now we are gonna put the tires on the rims. And we need 4 tires and 4 rims, which are here. That is what it looks like. We need to do 3 more. And they're in. Alright, let's put the tires on the car. So we're going to move over to that page there. Let's see how they go on. They go on with that little thread here. That one there on the outside. So that is how they're practically going to go on. So let's put the wheels on. There's 1. We need to add in 3 more. There's 2. So 2 more to go. And the wheels are on, guys. All 4 wheels are on. That side as well. We can open up the rear hatch there. You can look inside the engine here. Don't think you can open up the front. No, that you probably can't. Unless I'm wrong. No, you can't open that up. But what you can do is you can open up the door here. Open up the doors on that side. And you can drive it. Well, you can push it along, more or less. Push it along. Shut the doors here, that side. You can do this. Let's see what else we can do, because we still have a couple of pieces left over. So this is the last page. Now, I don't know why we have still pieces left over. Those are probably extra pieces that were left over. So let's have a look back and see if we missed anything. I don't think we have missed anything here. No, we didn't miss anything. And I think those were here just a few extra pieces here. Extras. Last page. We have, I think those were extra pieces just in case that we might lose something here. We have another antenna here. Another antenna. Yeah, those are just extra pieces, just in case that we will lose something. And yeah, extras. So we don't need the extras. Last pieces are going to be those guys here. Those little caps, they are going to go on each side of the rim. And then we are practically finished. Alright, all the pieces are gone. Here are the little pegs that we put in. There, and on the other side as well. The little pegs there on the rims. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna turn the car around. We are finished. Last page in the instructions. I hope you have liked this build and liked this whole series. There's the car. It shows what you can open, and the engine parts are turning as well. Here's the car once again. Yeah, we didn't miss anything. I don't know what that part is up there, but that doesn't matter. We are complete. And those are just the pieces that will tell you how many pieces you have in all. So that concludes the build for this, guys. The build is finished. I'm gonna put that aside here. I'm gonna put these pieces in here. Those are just, like I said, those are just a few extra pieces here, just in case another piece might have gone lost, but no pieces went lost. Those are left over. That is the car. The bags are gone. That is coming down. So I'm gonna lift the car up, turn it. I'm gonna open up the doors again. That's what you can do. Open up that door, the driver door, passenger door. You can open up the rear hatch here. You can lift it up like that, and I'm gonna hold the camera in there because you can see the engine parts moving. Look at that, brilliant. And the steering is working as well. Look at that, we can turn the steering. Alright, nice. Look at that, guys. We can look right in there. The engine pieces are turning while the car is moving. Alright. I don't think we can peek in here. No, we can't, can we? I would have liked to see the pistons moving, but we can't because the pistons are practically on the outside edge there. We can't see them, but we can see the crankshaft moving in here. That is the crankshaft which is moving, so, and the crankshaft is moving the pistons. Alright, so turn the car once again. We're gonna turn it so it's gonna be facing the box here, like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, in comments below, let me know what you think of the series. This is the final episode, part 28. We are done. Everything is gone here. I hope you've enjoyed the build. I definitely have enjoyed the series, and I have definitely enjoyed the build of this car as well. 1560 pieces this car has. And yeah, thanks for watching. I might be thinking about doing another build like this in the near future sometime. Let me know in the comments below if what you guys think I should do next. And yeah, bye bye.